Hello everyone, how are you today? I have a 1977 CJ5, a bit of a problem. I need to have windshield wipers. And the problem I have is my wipers are odd. That's what wipes on, or mounts on the wiper arm. There's your clip that goes onto the windshield wiper. Trying to flip my camera, but apparently I can't do it once I'm videoing, so hold on a second here. Okay, so there's that. That bolts onto there, just like that one there, right? And then it clips into here. So, it used to be that they would sell this stuff. New insert for your wiper. Sneezing. You can enjoy the corona as it flies around me. Anyway, used to be able to, you could buy this stuff here, this new wiper assembly here, just the rubber, and then you took your two pieces and so anyway, so what I did is I took it off of Ford Escape. That's a 2008 Ford Escape. The wiper arm, the whole assembly broke off the back. So I took that apart, took that out of there. These are the stainless steel side plates. And I just took my old one apart, which was right here. You can see the wipers was ripped right out of it. Took that out of here. And now I'm gonna put these into here and put this all back together. I'll be right back. So they literally just slot back in. These two pieces of stainless are individual for each side. I guess I could just edit this too. Anyway, so you put them in right into where they were. Hold on. So there's the other one in. There's one in there. It's hard to see, but it's in there. And then this one goes right in the other side here. You have to understand, I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing this, but to find that style of windshield wiper without replacing the arms, which I think is absolutely pointless when the arms are fine, and well, I'm cheap. Don't look at the Milwaukee buffer. I really didn't need it, but it was a good price. Still cheap, right? So anyway, I'll spin this, shut this off again, and then I'll re-edit it. So, all I gotta do is it has two little clips there, and they lock in on either side of that little arm. So all I do is feed it all back through here. It's not even difficult, but they don't sell that anymore. So now what I'm going to be doing, oops, I almost drop it, is going out and finding another one. And I can't use the one for the Ford Escape because you see this one here's got the insert in here, which I got to take that piece out, which is fine. But the Ford Escape doesn't have that. I have to get the kit that has a little pin that'll lock into the side here. So now all I do is I finish feeding it through there. A little bit of effort, might need a pair of needle nose too, but I shouldn't. See, it's in there now. And oh, get out of the friggin' light. And of course, it's not gonna focus very well on that. You see a little gap right here. It's gotta get over that. It's on an iPhone, so you get what you get. And it's done. Oh, one side's not in. Oh, I lied. Both sides aren't in. Keep pushing, they said. There we go. they give you a nice solid little thunk. And then the wiper arm, the wiper itself, will move in there, and it's on either side of the clip. There's the wiper arm is right here, and these are your clips right in here. And there's my $14 wiper that I would have had to have replaced. The original one it's on the floor somewhere. I was playing with the buffer and caught it. So now all I got to do is get that plastic piece there out. Oh, and it acquiesced to my request. I'm going to put this on this way. I think that'd be the right way for it to go. Yeah, see? Look at that. Goes in there perfect. Of course, it won't go back to... Yeah, it might need some little bit of lubrication or something. Did you see that? Oh, okay. Do it again. There we go. A little bit of lubrication. Maybe it'll work. Works for other things. Oh my God. She's tight. Dumping Jehoshaphat. She's snuggered in a bug and a rug, I guess. Well, I'll be damned. I was trying to get that apart earlier. It didn't want to come apart. Whoa, be a monkey son of a... Oh, that goes like that, but see, that doesn't go in far enough to clip. But that's how this one is. I'm just comparing the pieces there, eh? To make sure that, you know, they're roughly the same size there. I guess I can go either way on the wiper too. Maybe I'll try using this hand. It doesn't have as much feeling as the other one. I got chomped on by a dog. We might have to use a little bit of the physical force of maybe. Why, Jesus, she's going. I have a hammer. It's not always the answer. Okay, so we're not using the BFH, we're just using an FH. A hammer. Whoops. Ow, it's trying to bite me. What did I do to you? Maybe it's just old and bitter. Brittle. Might need to put something in there to, you know, just to bang it against there and, you know, to fucking do the things right their way, and I don't know. The BFH or the FH here. Oh, it's getting closer. She might not be going in there. Or did it? Might not. Oh, yep, it's in there all the way. That's it. This little thingamabob thing here, which I've seen these in other kits, and I never knew what they were. But that's what they're there for. But so now I'd have to go and find one of these that have this whole schmozzle kit. Instead, I can just reline the doodad fucker right there. And look at that. She's all put back together. She don't look brand new, and neither does the Jeep. So we're good. Thank you.